I'm Jillian Craddock, and I'm a member of the Black Bows. This song is dedicated, and yes, I wrote it. It's dedicated to a guy that I like and a guy that's lying to me. See how that turns out. Anyways, the song is called Dare. It's very short, and it's by the Black Bows. Should I hide the fears behind my tears? Should I hide the tears behind the pain? Does it dare to rain? Should I hide the rain behind the pretty smiles and lies with the memories behind? Da 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 da. But when I'm with you, I can feel the love that you give me. You keep me away from the guy that lies to me. Da 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 da. Do I dare go up to you? Do I dare talk to you? I don't know anything. I'm just scared that you won't love me the way that I do. The end. I hope you like it. Anyways, like I said, it's by the Black Bows. I wrote it. Peace out from the Black Bows. Yeah.